অক্সফোর্ড বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের কেলক কলেজে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের বক্তৃতার বিরুদ্ধে স্টুডেন্ট ফেডারেশন অফ ইন্ডিয়া যুক্তরাজ্য একটি বিক্ষোভ সমাবেশ করেছে। আমরা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে যে সামাজিক উন্নয়নের পথিকৃৎ বলে দাবি করেছেন তার প্রমাণ দিতে তার স্পষ্ট মিথ্যাচারের বিরুদ্ধে প্রকাশ্যের প্রতিবাদ জানিয়েছি। আমাদের শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে আমাদের মতামত প্রকাশ করার সুযোগ দেওয়ার পরিবর্তে পুলিশকে ডাকা হয়েছিল।
That Tata, they have set up their industry in Kharagpur. They have set up their IT industry in Rajaghat area also. Everyone. If you ask me, nobody is left out. Only we left out only one sector. That is, we want a direct flight from Kolkata to London. That also British there. Thank you so much. Because of you, thank you so much. You are welcoming me. Thank you so much. I'll give a sweet to you. Good sweet to you. I'm so happy that you welcome me. Thank you so much.
You go to kill Abhaya and give to you 6 words.
I can't hear. Speak more loudly. Speak more loudly, please. I don't mind. Please raise your voice. This is a democracy. Please raise your voice. I listen. I will listen carefully.
What about Archikar?
You are sorry.
You know the case is sub judice and also the central government has taken over. It is not with us. Please don't do politics here. It is not a political state. That you can do it with me in my state, not here. And you know better than me, the crowdfunding and all.
Because when we come and ask you questions in Kolkata, your ministers say we will break your finger.
Yeah, you're going to
This
break
is what your ministers do in West
I
Bengal.
don't. This is absolutely you are lying.
What have you done in
Brother, you don't do it.
Jadavpur University? What
Don't do it, brother. Don't do it. I have a special affection for you. We love all of you. But don't try to make it into a political platform. If you want to make it a political platform, go to Bengal and tell your party to be more strong and more stable. To fight against the communalism. Don't fight with me. You just only want to go. Yes, I give you the point.